In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your Wix website display properly on all screen sizes. Building a responsive site is essential, especially since your visitors will be viewing it on different devices like phones, tablets, and desktops. Let's jump right in. The most important tool to help your website adapt to any screen is the grid line guides. These are the vertical dashed lines you see inside the Wix editor. They act as boundaries, making sure your elements stay within the safe viewing area across all devices, ensuring consistency and readability, no matter where or how your visitors view your site. If you don't see the grid lines in your editor, don't worry, it's easy to enable them. Just navigate to the top right corner of the editor, click on Tools, and check the grid lines option. Once they're visible, you can begin adjusting your elements within these guides. This adjustment is crucial as it helps you keep your layout neat and organized, preventing any unwanted overflow or misalignment that could occur on different screen sizes. Wix also offers the handy option to edit your mobile site separately. This feature is valuable as it allows you to preview how your site looks on mobile devices like phones and tablets. You can make specific adjustments tailored just for mobile, which can really enhance your visitors' experience. Just remember, some features or elements might be exclusive to desktop or mobile views. This means what you see in one might not appear in the other, making it essential to double-check each view. This flexibility is what enables you to customize your site for all types of visitors without disrupting your overall design. Another key step is thoroughly testing your website on different devices and screen sizes. Wix's preview mode makes this simple. You can easily switch between desktop and mobile views to get a first-hand look at how your site will appear to visitors. By using this feature, you can identify and address any issues early on and fine-tune your design for the best user experience possible. By applying these techniques, working within the grid lines, customizing the mobile version, and previewing across devices, you'll be able to create a responsive and visually polished Wix site that looks great anywhere. This will not only improve the aesthetic appeal of your site, but will also ensure that your content is accessible and engaging for everyone who visits, regardless of the device they are using. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you optimize your Wix website for all screen sizes. Keep designing, keep experimenting, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.